guys. It is Halloween today, and I have a crazy packed morning, afternoon, evening. It's about almost 9:30 right now. I have to meet Andrew for breakfast, and by breakfast I mean we're getting tacos. Then I'm getting a haircut. Then I have to go to the tailor to pick up part of my costume that I dropped off earlier this week and begged for him to rush to get it done by today. Then I have to go pick up one or two more pieces to the costume, and then I have to get it all together and get my butt to this party tonight. So there's no time to waste. Let's go! Shit. Where are my shoes? Oh, I must have left them downstairs. Yes, I did. Casey Neistat, no wonder you used this setup. This picture is amazing. So the place Andrew and I are grabbing lunch is probably my favorite taco spot in the city. It's called South Philly Barbacoa, and the owners, Ben and Christina, they're two of the nicest people, and they make the best goddamn tacos I've ever had. It also helps that it's only a block from my house. Hey, buddy. You're on Andrew time.
How's it going, man?
Good, man. You ready to eat some tacos?
Yeah, let's do the damn thing.
Good morning. How are you? Could I have 3 barbacoas? Perfect. Thank you.
Welcome.
Those tacos are so good. I'm getting one more. Thank you, man. Good to see you.
See ya.
Take care.
Sir. Bye. Take care.
I didn't think I did.
All right, so tacos were delicious. What'd you think?
Yeah, very, very good. He had a 4th. I stuck with 3. That was good.
I don't regret anything. I regret no part of it.
Saturday morning, just a couple guys walking in the shade wearing sunglasses.
So I'm going to get my hair cut right now. So after Andrew and I part ways, you get some fresh lines. Get ready for the costume tonight. We'll see you soon.
See you later, guys.
All right, man.
Hey,
What's going on?
what's up?
Well, not much. I'm gonna get an undercut. So like a one around the sides and the back. Leave the one faded to the top, and then maybe like a skin fade at the bottom. Thanks, man. Good to see you. My man Sal always does a good job. Going now to pick up the pants I needed to get tailored. And I dropped them off a little bit late, like 2 days ago, to get totally tapered up and hemmed. So the tailor wasn't incredibly confident that it would be done by today, but I'm really, really hoping that they're done, or else I'm kind of screwed. You guys are awesome.
All right.
Much appreciated. Thank you. I'll see you. Take care. Now off to my sister's to pick up a shirt that I had ordered and delivered to there. Maybe some of you guys are wondering at this point, just what am I being for Halloween? Do not worry, I will reveal that at the end of this vlog. You will not be in mystery or suspense for much longer. Look at that handsome face.
Talk about last minute.
While I'm here, I might as well see what my nephew's dressed up as. Hey! It's me! Cheese! What are you gonna be for Halloween? Thomas!
Thomas Atkinson.
Put the hat on.
Woo! Woo!
Choo.
What are you for Halloween?
Thomas.
Okay, this is what I came for.
Bye.
So at this point, there's only one more thing to get now, and then I have all the pieces ready for the costume. One shirt, one tweed pants, one tweed jacket, a tweed vest, hat, shoes, and a pocket watch. All of this equals a Peaky Blinder.